It's very difficult for a girl to get remarried. बहुत मुश्किल होता है एक लड़की का दोबारा शादी करना. सुना है ना ये हम सब ने, और हमें लगता है कि यही सच है. Well, let me break that myth for you. And I will do that by giving you some small numbers so that statistics which you can evaluate yourself and figure out कि ये सब झूठ है. लड़की की डिमांड शादी के मार्केट में पहले भी और सेकेंड मैरिज भी, in both cases it's much higher, and let me tell you why. The natural birth ratio, the natural sex ratio of a boy to a girl across the world is 105 men to every 100 girls. In India it is 108 men per 100 girls, which means by birth there always is a surplus of men compared to women. Number one. Number two, when we get married and we part ways, right, as we discussed earlier, men do not grieve well and they always are wanting to get married quickly, settle down quickly. That is the natural tendency of within men to get into a relationship much faster, so they are always seeking to get the next partner. Whereas it's the women who are more wise and choose to spend some time with themselves before they get into the second marriage. So that ways it's always the women who are in demand and the men who are seeking the women, right? It's the women by choice that they choose not to get married immediately because they want some healing time, especially if they have a kid of the first marriage, and the men who want to get married for whatever reasons, whether it's wanting to take revenge or wanting to settle down soon, they don't want to be lonely, or even wanting to take the custody of the girl child from their previous marriage. Right? So for whatever reasons, but here again we see that it's the women who have the choice of deciding. And by the way, किसी भी dating app पर आप चले जाइए आज, it's more number of men versus girls. Yes, there is such a demand for girls being today available on dating sites. It itself is a proof of what we are trying to say. So today, you being a girl should be proud of the fact that you want to start your life again. You should be proud of the fact that you can pull the family together the day you decide. Do not come under any pressure of starting a family again. And this is for both men and women. Give ample healing time to yourself before you can think of starting a family again. Now let me throw some statistics from across the world, okay? And I'm referring to some notes here. 70% of the people who get divorced end up getting married again in some point of their time. So there are high chances that you will get remarried at some point in your time in life again, 70% of the times. Second, half of the people who experience divorce remarry within 5 years of their divorce. Half of the people who get divorced get remarried within 5 years. 70% की तो शादी होती ही होती है दोबारा, 50% की शादी 5 साल के अंदर हो जाती है. Third statistic, chances of your second marriage breaking up is 15% higher in the first 3 years of your remarriage. जब आप दोबारा शादी करते हैं, उस शादी का फिर से टूट जाना, there are 15% chances higher in the first 3 years. This is what I was referring to as pattern breaking when I was in my call yesterday. जब आप अपने पुराने grief pain को लेके नए शादी में जाते हैं, that is what really happens, where you start looking at the things again from the same old lens and old perspective that you are carrying. it is very important to empty your glass first before refueling it, right? With that, let me close today's video by saying that it is a myth, a big myth, that it is difficult for a girl to get married again. It is her choice that when she wants to get married. There are immense boys out there the day she gets to decide that she wants to settle down again. So never come under the pressure of anyone that you have to get married. Thank you so much. It was wonderful coming back to you. And yes, let's keep breaking the myths. Let's keep gaining our strengths back. God bless you. Bye-bye.